The politics of Serbia are defined by a unitary parliamentary framework that is defined by the Constitution of Serbia, in which the president, currently Aleksandar Vučić, is the head of state, while the prime minister, currently Ana Brnabić, is the head of government. Executive power is exercised by the Serbian government and the President of Serbia. Legislative power is vested in the unicameral National Assembly, which is composed of 250 proportionally elected deputies. The judiciary is independent and is headed by the Supreme Court of Cassation, which is also the highest court in Serbia. The Serbian political system uses a multi-party system. The first political parties and organizations were established in the first half of the 19th century, but they were officially registered as political parties in 1881. The People's Radical Party dominated Serbian and Yugoslav politics from the late 1880s until 1928. Serbia was a part of the Kingdom of Serbs, Croats, and Slovenes from 1918 until 1941. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.